Expect Russia to be part of all processes, says India on G20 presidency. India, which began its year-long G20 presidency on Thursday, and Indonesia, the previous president, played a key role in finalizing a joint communique at the Bali summit. India expects Russia to be a part of all the processes of G20 as it assumed the presidency of the grouping against the backdrop of persisting differences among its members over the Ukraine war. Huge warning for Indian Navy in US onslaught on China. The United States Department of Defense has reported that China may be getting ready to deploy aircraft carriers and submarines in the Indian Ocean region at its military base in Djibouti. India will receive work in at least 20 steel projects in Afghanistan Taliban. Afghanistan's foreign ministry said India's diplomatic presence in the country would result in the completion of unfinished projects. The restart of these projects will decrease the level of evil, of poverty and unemployment, said Nazgavir Jamal. India is still pursuing case of 8 ex-Indian Navy personnel detained in Qatar. The case of 8 former Indian Navy personnel held in Qatar on unspecified charges, even as the families of the detained men had been allowed to meet or speak to them more frequently. All 8 men were working for Dhara Global Technologies and Consultancy Services, a private firm owned by a retired Oman Air Force officer that provides training and other services to Qatar's armed forces. FIFA World Cup 2022. Germany take on Costa Rica in do-or-die clash. Japan eye another upset against Spain. The stage is set and all eyes were on the 2014 World Cup winners Germany. Germany wins by 4-2 with Costa Rica. Japan wins by 2-1 with Spain. For more updates, do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Rai Smart Bangla.